wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Would it be me if I wasn't in the middle of chaos? I literally had a completely different wig on the brain to wear tonight. It wasn't working out, so we are going to install this one that I just got and see how this goes. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so this is from ulahair. This is, I don't have these specifics right in front of me, so I will either do a voiceover or just put it on the screen of the actual specifics. But from what I remember, this is a glueless 24-inch Indian curly, I believe like pre-plucked, all of that. This is what the hairline is looking like. I did kind of already trim the little ribbony, not ribbony, but you don't know what I mean, the little curved edge that be coming on there. I did already trim that off because I was debating if I was going to film this at the same time, but here we are. So this is what it looks like fresh once you get it out the thingy. I'm going to go ahead, tint the lace, and again, if it's glueless, me and her go together real quick because I can't do anything else, especially with the state of mind that I am in right now. So let's go. Once again, we're gonna tint her a little bit with the Fenty stick. Take our wig, especially the middle part, although I might turn this into a side part. It just depends on how it all works out. But just, oh my bad, y'all can't even see that, just a little bit. There's just no way this is my life right now, because no, it didn't come flying out. And of course it landed right in the wig. I know you is lying. You know what? Nope. I am determined to have a good day today, and that's what I'm gonna do. Up in the wig. I know you is lying. God is funny. God be doing his big one, his big laugh with me. But if I'm able to pull this off, at least you know it really is beginner friendly, baby. You can whip this up and go. So this is a close-up of what the lace looks like, and that's what I'm talking about. When the lace is good, it just makes the install a whole lot easier. Look at this. This is just after tinting the lace, how it blends into the skin tone of my hand. Mind you, all I did after this was use a little spray to hold it in place. Absolutely, positively. Okay, while my face bakes, y'all gonna help me pick an outfit. Now, yes, by the time y'all watch this video, that means I would have had to have already picked the outfit, but you know, I like making y'all feel included, and I technically don't know which one I'm going to wear yet. So there's this black one. I got this from Essence. I don't remember the exact brand, but I'll put it on the screen or in the description, something like that. There is this one, really simple. I like the little keyhole. I don't wear keyholes often because I feel like they just be doing a little too much on the girls. But she's cute, little mini dress. And then this other option, this is a blazer mini dress. Now it's got a little mesh in the waist area. I'm thinking if I do this one, it'll be a little fancier just because I'm thinking tights and like a nice little kitten heel pump. Do I have I do have kitten heels, but it'll be some type of pump, either high heel pump or kitten heel pump. But that's why I would do this one. This one I feel like would just be really simple, like black heels. I don't know what color bag. They're both minis, so you know the legs gonna be out today. I feel like which one's going with this hair? I feel like either one could go, but I feel like this one goes more with the hair. Now granted, I haven't finished the hair yet, but I feel like this one, yeah. I'm gonna come back with it on, so you're gonna see which one I pick. Yes, this is not the outfit that you saw me have on a couple seconds ago. I changed my mind once I saw the hair done, but I like it. That's the top. I'll try to show you the full body, but this is how the hair came out. I like her. Okay, and again, very easy, beginner friendly, because I had like 2 hours and 15 minutes to make this happen. So that is it. I just use mousse and leave-in conditioner to define it, and I am here for this. Yes. Okay, Eula. Oh, there is a band that comes with the wig. I didn't put it on just because the band's been making my head feel real tight. This is the other stuff that came in here. There was a wig cap, a comb, and then a little tape if you wanted to use that to bring it down. But again, I like real beginner friendly, and you know, glueless like it's supposed to be. And she's secure on. I'm not worried about her. So that is it for this video. There was a little hair that came out when I was running the comb through after I wet it, but that's also some of the hair from the lace where I cut it. You know, like the hair that was attached there coming off. So yeah, that is it for this hair. So of course I'll keep you guys updated on how she washes, all of that good stuff. Yeah, I am going to go glue on the fingers that popped off in the process because it was just a lot going on. But that is it for this video. Everything you need to know will be in the description down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.